guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm basically going to be answering 25 questions that you guys have asked me based on this product here. So this product is amazing for hyperpigmentation. I've literally got 2 whole videos about it. It helps me lighten my underarms so quickly, and also like I use it on different parts of my body, and I actually have a video about this as well because this product right here is multi-purpose, you guys. When I posted these 2 videos, I got a lot of questions, so I did reply to some, but then I thought it'd be easier just to make a video about it. So that's basically what this video is going to be about today. Let's jump right into the first question. So the first question I got a lot is, what is the product called? But this product is actually called Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution, and it's from a brand called The Ordinary. Can you apply it on your face every night? Would it be too harsh? I would say do not apply it to your skin every night, and yes, it's going to be way too harsh for your skin because it is an exfoliant. So if you overuse it, you can make your skin sensitive, and then this can ruin your skin's barrier. So there was actually a time where I experimented with it. I got a little bit desperate, so I started to apply it to my face every night, and my skin got very sensitive and red. So make sure you're not applying it every night, you guys. A good rule of thumb is to skip every other day. You can use it on your lips to fade pigmentation, and absolutely I use it everywhere that I have pigmentation. If the corners of your lips got dark, or your lips got dark because of smoking, because of sun damage, it will reverse that. So that's what I'm saying, like it's a very good product. So yes, you can apply it to the corners of your lips. A lot of people ask me, where can I get it? You can basically get this product anywhere because The Ordinary are such a big brand. Like they've literally expanded everywhere. So I'm in the UK, so I can get it in Boots and Superdrug. I have a lot of options, and I can also get it online, and it's the same in the US as well. You can get it from Target, that I'm certain of, and you can get it online. However, when it comes to international countries, I know it can be a bit more challenging. However, I've got websites for you guys to get this product. The first one being Beauty Bay, and Beauty Bay is absolutely amazing. I get a lot of my Ordinary products from there just because they ship worldwide. You can also get it from The Ordinary's website. They ship to a lot of European countries as well, and some African countries as well. However, if you guys still can't find it on there, I will have some Amazon links for you because you can also get it from Amazon. Does anyone know if it can be applied to lighten the bikini area? When I say to you guys, you can apply this product anywhere, I mean anywhere. So yes, you can use it on your bikini area to lighten that bit. I have also seen a few people talk about it on TikTok as well, to say like it helps them with ingrown hairs and just darkness around that area. So I would definitely say it is safe to apply it there. So someone asked me as well, I still don't get how long I should leave it on my skin and when I should apply moisturizer on top of the product. So this is a 2-part question. When it comes to how long you should leave the product on your skin, my answer to that is you don't have to take it off. And I think a few people are getting a bit confused because they think that it's like a leave-on or you can apply it during the day, and it is none of those things. You only apply it at night time. So if you're applying at night time, there is no need to wipe it off or wash it off. Absolutely not. I basically do it in this order. I wash my face, and then I apply the toner and finish the rest of my skincare, and I go to bed. In the morning, I do not apply this toner because I am not trying to burn my skin. You do not want to apply this during the day, you guys. It will make your skin way too sensitive to the sun. And then moisturizer, like I said, you just continue your skincare routine. So my moisturizer for my nighttime comes at the end. So in regards to applying it on the armpits, someone asked me, do you have to wash it off afterwards, and do you have to moisturize your armpits after applying it? So when it comes to applying it under your arms, it's the same kind of rule. I only apply this product at nighttime, so there's no reason for me to wash it off. I wouldn't recommend using this product during the day, you guys. Sorry for repeating myself because I know I've just said it in my last question, but yes, I'm just basically stressing it out to you that if you're applying at nighttime, there's no need for you to wash it off. I don't put moisturizer under my arms, but you can do. It's entirely up to you. I just kind of basically apply the product under my arms and then let it dry for a good 10 minutes, and then I go straight to bed. Am I supposed to apply SPF after it dries? So I will always say when you're wearing active ingredients, you need to make sure you're applying SPF regardless. So even though we're only using the product at nighttime, you still need to wear SPF in the morning. You still need to put SPF on during the day, just because regardless, it does make your skin a little bit more sensitive towards the sun. So you need to be wearing SPF. So under my arms, I don't put sunscreen on, but everywhere else on my body, I will make sure I put sunscreen on. Can I use it for my full body and how? So basically I do have a video about this where I use it on different parts of my body. This includes my neck, my elbows, my knees, my underarms, my inner thigh area as well. You can definitely apply it to different parts of the body. I actually highly recommend this as a hyperpigmentation treatment in regards to how you'll need a cotton pad and the product, and you can literally just apply it to the cotton pad and apply it to the desired area. So if it's your knees, you just apply it and then you just rub it on your knees and let it sit there for 10 minutes or so before moisturizing, and then you can go to bed or do whatever it is you're doing. The reason why I keep saying and then you just go to bed is because you need to, is because it's for nighttime, so I'm literally just putting it out there. Can someone tell me if the result is permanent or the skin will get darker again if I don't continue to use them? So basically, in regards to exfoliants, it brightens your skin to your natural complexion. So for example, if you have a dark neck due to a tan or sun damage or a lack of exfoliation or whatever it is, it will basically lighten your neck, but it will never get lighter than your actual complexion, if that makes sense. So because of this, there's no way that your skin is going to get darker unless of course you do what it is that caused it to get darker. It's different to lightening creams. When you use lightening creams, it basically destroys your skin to the point where your skin gets lighter than your original complexion. Therefore, when you stop using that, it can get darker or it can even burn you. That's why in my videos you see me use the word brightens instead of lightens, because it's a brightening agent, not a lightening agent. So yes, the results are permanent. Can you use it for dark circles around your eyes? And no, please don't do that. This product is way too strong for the under eyes. If you apply it to your under eyes, you're gonna cause irritation. Your under eyes are very sensitive. You shouldn't even be adding exfoliants under there. I avoid the under eye area at all costs. The only thing that goes under there is eye cream. If you wanna lighten your under eye areas, I have a video about this. I will add it up here for you guys so you can check that out. Can acne prone skin use it? Is it safe to use even when you have breakouts? If you've got active acne where it's irritated and red and open, don't apply it to there. However, you can apply it to acne that's kind of like in the healing phase. That's what I would say, because it's good for that. It's good for acne. This product also targets acne. So I would say just be careful. If your acne feels red and irritated, I would say stay away from this product until it's healed. Is it irritating for sensitive skin? I have sensitive skin and it didn't irritate me at all. However, I would say do a patch test. I tend to do my patch test here. I would say though, when you're starting out, use it 3 times a week. Don't just go into 4 to 5 times a week, because it can irritate, especially if you've got sensitive skin. So start off with minimal and then build your tolerance. Should I do 4 days in a row or skip every other day? And I would say definitely skip every other day. 4 days in a row will basically oversensitize your skin's natural barrier. This is an exfoliant and it's an AHA, so it penetrates deep into your skin. So definitely I would say skip every other day. That's basically what I do. And this applies to not only your face, but the rest of your body as well. Can it get rid of acne scars on my face? And yes, that's literally what got me interested in this product to begin with. I had acne scars and blemishes on my skin, and this basically zapped it away, you guys. Like, this got rid of my acne scarring. When I get pimples, it usually leaves behind acne marks. No matter what I do, it just leaves acne marks. So this basically helps me keep that in control. So that's basically it, you guys. So like I said, I'm gonna have a part 2 for you guys, so just look out for that. You'll probably see your question on there, just because I'm trying to answer all the questions that I got from you guys. Thank you guys so much for the engagement that you guys have given me. Like, it's amazing the amount of love I've got on these 2 videos. So yes, like, look out for your question, because I'll probably feature it on the video. As for today's video that is done now, I will catch you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.